walk. That's cool too.
Turn around.
What's the matter? How about you drop the phone? Drop the phone.
Put the phone down. It's not a game, okay? Stays in your pocket.
Yeah, it's on your side.
Okay, listen.
You say the phone's got ringtones. Is it something that's obscene?
No, it wasn't.
All right, I'm gonna go. I tell you what, I'm gonna go talk to the driver and see what's going on.
All right, do me a favor.
Hey, Steve. So what happened over there?
We come across the public. Told him to turn it off. He wouldn't turn it off. He kept playing and kept playing. Then I said, well, hey, man, won't you have respect for the lady, man, and cut your thing down? He steady played. And he got deliberate with her. When he cuts on out, wanted to cuss me out. That's why I'm off the trolley, because I go whoop his ass.
Yeah.
He told
So belligerent on the trolley, cussing, causing a disturbance on there.
You guys trying to go to school.
Yeah. He was calling you names on the trolley and stuff.
Cracker and all that, then he called me a which it don't bother me.
I understand.
But you're gonna have respect. She told him to cut it off. She waited over on Congress.
She couldn't turn it off. He had 10 headsets, put the headsets on. I showed him the rules because it is the rule. Put headsets on so it doesn't bother him.
Do you work for the trolley, or are you just?
I'm the driver.
Oh, you're the driver. Okay, and you're just
I'm
the
a
passenger.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, I got him, Steve. Stop resisting.
Resisting what?
Stop resisting.
What you gonna tase me?
Stop resisting.
For what?
Listen.
What are you gonna do?
I don't
Why are you gonna
appreciate
tase me
that
for?
word, one.
What?
And
What
two,
word?
the pills you have in your pocket, I'm
They're
trying to
not
ask you what they're all
illegal.
about.
I told you I have another one.
Stop.
Okay. What? You're the first person to handcuff somebody. Oh, you must. How you gonna let the rookie handcuff me? How you gonna let the rookie handcuff
Listen.
me?
Calm down,
Let
sir.
the rookie handcuff me, bro. I'm on my way to work. How about that?
All right, you're pretty disorderly. All right.
Just really look.
Yeah.
I'm on my way to work.
All right, you're causing a big problem.
That's the reason why you're acting out.
It ain't.
Where's your prescription at?
Stephen Maiorino. Mr. Maiorino, good morning. I understand Mr. Selman had gone over the charges with you. Do you want to waive reading?
Judge, I'd waive reading of the charges. I've reviewed the charges with him at this time, and I am counsel of record for all purposes. I would, or please, if not guilty as to all charges. We would request a trial by jury. I am going to defer on any question of bond today and take that up with the assigned judge downtown.
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. The state is asking for no bond. I'm also filing a motion for pretrial detention in this case and asking for no bond and a no contact order to be signed. There is a permanent injunction also already in place, and the state has filed charges. Two life felonies, one PBL, and one first-degree felony.
Mr. Maiorino, I am holding you no bond. Read the probable cause affidavit. I do find probable cause. I'm ordering that you not have any contact with the victim, initials CM. And is this his signature here?
Yes, it is.
On that line? Let me have him re-sign on the defendant line. Also, in addition to no contact with the victim, no weapons, surrender any firearms to PBSO?
I believe that they're already in the custody of the Boynton Beach Police Department, but
Okay.
if there are any more that haven't been, then yes.
All right, surrender any firearms to Boynton Beach Police Department within 24 hours of release. If you are released, surrender any passport. Actually, surrender it to your attorney so that it can be filed with the clerk's office prior to your release. That is a condition of your release. Okay.
Judge, just one other thing. Prior to Mr. Maiorino self-surrendering yesterday, he was on some medications. He was on a medication called trazodone. He was on a medication called Prestige. I know you can't order those medications, but I would ask you to order that the mental health facility at the Palm Beach County Jail at least meet with him to review that, to see if there are any similar medications that they can give to him. I don't want him to be off these for so long that it creates a problem. And Judge, just so that the
And
record's
let's
clear.
make that a condition that it's in custody eval for treatment purposes, disclosable to defense counsel.
And I think you anticipated my next comment. I'm not asking for that because I'm claiming that he was insane or that he in any way committed this crime. And I want to make
It's for treatment purposes. That's what I
All right.
included in the order.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Shannon Cake, and we begin this afternoon with breaking news. A verdict has just been reached in the trial of a Boynton Beach police officer. This officer accused of rape, now found not guilty on all charges. The Now's Jamel Lene has been covering this trial. She's joining us with more on the verdict. Jamel?
A not guilty verdict for former Boynton Beach officer Stephen Maiorino. There were outbursts of tears in that courtroom as that verdict was being read about 40 minutes ago. Some of those tears were tears of joy. That was on the officer side, family side, and then some of those tears were tears of disappointment, obviously, on the victim side. Let's recap and take a listen in to that verdict being read right now.
State of Florida versus Stephen J. Maiorino, defendant. Verdict. We, the jury, find as follows. As to count 1, we find the defendant not guilty. As to count 2, we find the defendant not guilty. As to count 3, we find the defendant not guilty. As to count 4, we find the defendant not guilty.
Again, former Boynton Beach officer found not guilty on 2 counts of sexual battery, 1 count of kidnapping, and lastly, 1 count of unlawful compensation or reward. The officer was accused of raping the young victim last year near Interstate 95. The victim said the officer forced her to have sex on the hood of his car. During the trial, the defense claimed that there were too many inconsistencies in the victim's story. Right now, Maiorino, he is headed over to the jail where he will be released in a few hours. We will have much more coming up on this not guilty verdict at 5 and 6. That's the latest here at Downtown. I'm Jamel Lene for the Now South.